Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Bloom Solana bot. First, you will need to download the bot's software from its official website. Always verify the source to prevent security risks. Next, ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements, typically requiring at least 8 GB of RAM and a stable internet connection. This initial setup is crucial for smooth operation. Once installed, the next step involves configuring your bot's settings. You will specify trading pairs such as SOL to USC and set your desired trade amounts. Crucially, connect your Solana wallet securely. It is highly recommended to use a dedicated wallet for bot trading, holding only the funds you intend to use, perhaps $100 to $500, to minimize risk. The Bloom Solana bot offers powerful features for executing trading strategies. You can set up sniping for new token launches, aiming to buy quickly at listing. Additionally, leverage tools like limit orders to buy or sell at specific prices and stop-loss orders to protect your capital. Regularly check the bot's dashboard to track your trades and overall performance, making adjustments as needed. Effective risk management is paramount when using any trading bot. Set clear profit targets and stop-loss limits for every trade to protect your capital. Remember, the crypto market is highly volatile, so never invest more than you can comfortably afford to lose. Finally, regularly update your Bloom Solana bot software to benefit from the latest security patches and new features, ensuring optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.